I'm going to make a cup of tea. Here are the things. How much sugar? How much milk? How much hot water? How many cups? How many cups? Today we are going to learn count, non-count, nouns. Would you like to learn cups? How many cups? How many? How many? How many cups? How many cups? 1, 2. How many? How much sugar? How much sugar? How much? How much sugar? How much sugar? Cup, cups. 2 cups, 3 cups. Some cups, some cups. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups. Some cups. Singular, plural. Cup, singular noun. Cups, plural nouns. But there are some nouns have only singular form. There are some nouns have singular forms only. What are those? Rice, rice. Water, water. Paper, paper. Meat, meat. Coffee, coffee. Food, food. Bread, bread. Sugar, sugar. Milk powder, milk powder. Money, money. Cheese, cheese. Oil, oil. Tea, tea. Fruit, fruit. Juice, juice. These are the nouns have singular form only. But sometimes we can have the plural form. Example, look at this. Apples, apples, apples. Fruit, fruit, fruit. We can say fruit. Fruits, we can say fruits. Okay, some nouns sometimes we can have the plural form. Fruits. Look at this picture. Here there are 18 things in this picture. Could you please fill this table? Could you please fill this table? There's a pen. There's a pen. There are some eggs. There are some eggs. There's some water. There's some water. There's some water. Can you find? Can you find? There's a pen. There are some eggs. There's some water. Very good. Now you have to fill this table. There are 3 columns. There are 3 columns. First one, there is a. There is a. There's a. Okay, there's a pen. So you have to write pen under this column. Second column, There are some. There are some. Example, there are some eggs. Here, you have to write eggs under this column. Third one, there's some. There is some. There's some. There's some water. There's some water. Here, you have to write water under this column. Did you understand? Very good. There are 18 things in this picture. So you have to fill this table. Every column has 6 things. Every column has 6 things. Okay, I'll give some time. You can find the things and write it in the table. Now tell me, what are the things do you need to make a cake? Yes, make a cake. What are the things? That's your homework. You have to write the things and find what are the count nouns, what are the non-count nouns. See you on next lesson. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, and it's very important you to click the notification bell icon. Then only you can get my videos as soon as possible. See you tomorrow.